Hey everyone, welcome to the new class in Utsav Yoga. This is Khushi Bajwa, your yoga and a flexibility trainer, and today I'll share some post-workout stretches that are great to do after a yoga session or after a gym workout session as well. So if you're ready, let's dive right into it. So let's begin our today's session by standing on the top of our mats, having a hip-width apart distance between the legs. Inhale, reach your hands up high towards the sky. And exhale, hinge from the hips. Go as low, as deep as you can. Wrap your arms around each other and relax your neck as well. Just hold the pose for some seconds. You can always bend your knees if it is required, or just straighten them out if it feels comfortable. Hold for some seconds more and one, slowly and gently rise up from your mat. Then moving towards our next pose, which is a runner lunge stretch. Move down, place your hands down on the ground, moving into a downward dog stretch, Parvatasana. Take a slight stretch here, a three-legged dog, and then place the foot in between your hands. Place the left knee on the ground if it feels comfortable, and then untuck the toe. Hold the stretch for around 30 seconds as well. Gaze towards the front, and if it feels too uncomfortable or too much, then you can always place your hands on your knees as well. But keep lunging, keep low lunging with your hips. And relax. Place your hands down on the ground and straighten your front leg out. 2 and relax. Coming in the lunge stretch once again. This time, left hand placing it right on the ground and moving the right hand and trying to hold the feet as well. Hold the feet for some seconds, for around 30 seconds. If you can do, then try to press the feet to your buttock as much as you can. And you will be feeling an intense stretch coming right into your quads. 2 and 1. Relax. Thank you for joining me with this post-workout stretches, and I hope you liked the video. So like, share and subscribe with Utsav Yoga for more content. Have a beautiful day.